Welcome to today's video technical update presented by cmsfx. It is Tuesday, January 19th, 2010. I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst, and I'll go over some developments in the Forex market. This week, the euro has taken a hit, and the greenback continues to consolidate. Let's take a look at the euro dollar, dollar Japanese yen, pound yen, and a long-term look at the euro pound. This video is being produced at about 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, near the close of the US session. The euro has been taking a beating the last three sessions, or since the end of last week, after it hit 1.46 here. The market has declined and it looks like the start of a swing projection to 1.37, that 61.8% area. Now before getting there, and it looks like it will get there because the stochastic is showing very strong momentum, bearish momentum, and we basically have a break. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we have a break of our consolidation support, the rising support. However, our flat support here at 1.42 hasn't been broken, so I would still say that we're still in consolidation mode. The dollar, that is, even though the euro has been very weak. Now this swing projection would go to 1.4180 area, but even today, looking at the 4-hour time frame, we see a bearish divergence at the 100% retracement level. So here we have a reversal combination, and we have a bullish divergence. So looking at the daily, we may have some support here and a minor rally before realization of this swing projection. The US dollar Japanese yen pair continues to show bottoming action here after the reversal from 93.5. So we are basically at 50% retracement. Now looking at the 4-hour time frame, now here in the daily time frame, we see a reversal combination here and an early reversal signal here. Hasn't crossed yet, but the momentum definitely is slowing down, the bearish momentum, that is, and looks like it is crossing back to the bullish momentum soon. But that's not confirmed yet. It's just some early signals. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we do see that signal here too, and we have a break of our declining trend line. So it looks like we may have a rally in the upcoming session, even though in the Asian session there may be some resistance here with the trend line here, and with this trend line as well as the moving average, we will establish whether or not the market will be able to retest our 93 area. See, if in the Asian session the market is able to break above 91.50, 91.60 area, then we have a likely retest of 93 and possibly a break of this declining trend line. But at the moment, we're still ahead of the Asian session, so we'll have to wait for more price action clues. We've also been stalking the pound-yen pair as it exited this congestion patterns and hinted a retest of 153 area. After this first signal, the market has been very choppy. Now looking at the 4-hour time frame, we see that we're basically in almost sideways, but not exactly sideways ranging, but slightly upward sloping ranging action. And you see here it tested our support, and at the moment the market is rallying, but we may not have a test of this 150 area. Instead, in the Asian session, the upcoming Asian session, we are completing a Gartley pattern at the 78.6%, and it looks like we already have completed it, even though it's not a full swing projection to 149.80. Nonetheless, we have some topping action and if the stochastic crosses over, in the Asian European session, we may have a decline, something like to retest our support area here at 147.50, and a little slightly below that. So looking at the Asian session, you may want to go down to the 1 hour time frame and look for break of this short-term power line here, but looking in the 1 hour time frame. Okay, the euro pound pair has definitely invalidated the bullish outlook, which was this towards 0.95, 0.94. So now that the market is introducing a bearish outlook, and looking at the monthly, I'm going to look at a possible Elliott wave count. And this count would have us in the third primary wave here, 1, 2, 3, and within the third primary wave we have this fractal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 projection, and this would be ABC correction, and we're pretty much in the B to C wave right now, this ABC wave right now. Now this wave, if it's to hold the Elliott wave count, should hold above 0.82. Otherwise, we may have to adjust this, such as 1, 2, and then 3, and a more complex 4, 5 until we finish our primary third wave. So that's another alternative count if the market comes below 0.82 and reaches into the consolidation area here, maybe 0.79, and then rallies. So that's another count there. Looking at the weekly, you see the ABC there, and here's another wave count. You got your ABC, alternate ABC. So within your ABC, you have your fractal ABC waves as well. Okay, so basically the long-term view, looking back here, the long-term view is 0.80, around 0.79, 0.82 area here, and that is projected to be sometime mid-year or even past that. But ultimately, we would look for some support or bottoming action around mid-year, but at the moment it's very clear, the bearish signal is very strong, so this bearish projection would be viable. And looking at the stochastic as well, you see the market came back up, but is again crossing back to the bearish direction. Okay, so that's the long-term view of the euro pound. That wraps it up for today. Visit fxtimes.com for more fundamental and technical updates, as well as educational live events. Once again, I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst here at CMS Forex, wishing you good trading.